Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the world of robotics. In the previous episode, we have explained or we have shown that we can use the Jetboard Buddy to learn robotics. So it was just a demonstration of combining the components to create a Jetboard Buddy. Today, I'll be just exploring or sharing a few things about the Jetson Nano. So you might wonder what is Jetson Nano, right? So let me take you back to the fundamentals of robotics. If you haven't already watched, you can watch the playlist in my channel. It will be there called as "What Makes a Robot Tick," and inside that episodes you can see what are the fundamentals of robotics. And today I will just mention that and then align with the ideology of what is Jetson Nano. So basically, we have three fundamentals of robotics, basically the sensors, the actuators, and controllers. So basically the sensors are the things through which we see or perceive the world, and the actuators are through which we manipulate or grab the world, grab things in the world, and the controller is the one that is deciding what to do in an environment. So when we consider these fundamentals, what is the Jetson Nano? Jetson Nano is basically a controller or basically the brain of a robot or basically the Jetboard Buddy. So that's the thing that's called a Jetson Nano. So if you haven't already seen, so you don't know about Jetson Nano, I will just demonstrate or show you what is Jetson Nano. So if you can see here, this is called a Jetson Nano, and Jetson Nano is basically a small, powerful computer for various applications, right? So it's basically a small computer, and it is developed by NVIDIA. So if you know, or if you have a graphics card in your computer, it most probably will be from NVIDIA. And so that's Jetson Nano. And if you are interested in practically, so basically if you want to work with me throughout the project, or if you want to do it yourself, you can actually buy the jetboards from various organizations or various partners of the Jetboard Buddy, so you can grab any of them and build your own Jetboard Buddy. So yeah, that's for today. We have the Jetson Nano, and Jetson Nano is a control of robot. And yes, so in the subsequent episode, we will be building our Jetboard Buddy and explaining various other components as well. Yeah, if you haven't already subscribed, please do subscribe to the YouTube channel, and then you'll be notified on when I upload the next episode, and you can watch it as soon as it arrives. Happy learning.